my channel. Guess what? I'm having a Halloween party and I'm gonna be making Halloween treats and I'm gonna be making them with you guys. Let's get started. I'm gonna be using Jello powder and I picked blue and red, but you guys can pick whatever kind of color you guys want. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of cold water. Look guys, I got this cool brain mold at the dollar store, so I already put my red Jello inside this mold, so I'm gonna put my blue Jello in this mold. We're gonna put gummy worms inside the Jello. Now let's put it in the fridge. For our next treat, we'll be needing chocolate pudding, Oreos with no cream, and gummy worms. Now we put the Oreos inside the pudding, on top of the pudding. For our next treat, we'll be needing chives, long thick pretzel sticks, and cheese. Any kind of cheese you guys want. We'll put the pretzel stick on top of the cheese and start rolling it. So for our next treat, we'll be needing a cupcake, white icing, ice, and chocolate chips. For our next treat, we'll be needing an Oreo, pretzels, and a cupcake frosted. Let's put the Oreo on top of the cupcake. Then we'll be putting the pretzels on the side of the cupcake. And for this treat, we'll be needing an eye, a cupcake, and frosting. So first, frost in the middle. For our next treat, we'll be needing a cupcake, green frosting, ice, and small chocolate chips with candy corn. So first we're going to take some icing and We had a little problem with the Jell-O, so we're just gonna leave it like that. But I'm so excited to spend all this time with my family and eat all these yummy treats. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below which one was your favorite treat. And give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button.